welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. Happy Mask Monday. If you are new, my name is Jennifer, and we do Mask Mondays on Mondays. And the rest of the week, I love doing makeup material or unboxing subscription boxes, usually makeup related. And sometimes I do talk about mental health issues. Now, if you're interested in any of that, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified every time that I upload a new video. And to all my regular subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I greatly appreciate you. So what are we doing today? I have some friend mail, yeah. And I also have my Walmart box and my Eyescream beauty bag to open up. So it was my birthday this month. Yeah, I say this month. This month was my birthday. So I got some friend mail from Marie Cho, as we know her here on YouTube. I won't say her full name, but her username on YouTube is Marie Cho or Mari Cho. I hope I am saying your name correctly, but I got a happy birthday letter from her. Look, she even has a happy birthday stamp on there with a couple of stickers and lots of happy birthday stickers on the back. If I ever send you a letter and it doesn't have any stickers on it, it's because I don't have a lot of stickers. So, or the stickers are kind of weird. It's just because I don't have a lot of stickers. And this is the card. And oh, it's got stickers in it. Fun. Now I have stickers. Okay, there is a birthday cake. She knows I like sloths. There is a sloth hugging a pineapple. Teach, love, and inspire. There is a mug full of flowers right there. And there is another bouquet of flowers right there. And let's read the card. It says, all of the joys of a birthday are being wished for you today. So that is what it says on the inside. And it says, Jennifer, may all of your wishes come true today and always. Happy birthday, love, Marie. So thank you so much, Marie. And thank you for the stickers. That was very sweet of you. Thank you so much. Oh, and also in there was a Glam Up Moisturizing Avocado Wrinkle Care Sheet Mask by Glam Up. Thank you so much for that as well. The mask I am wearing today is from Give Them Lala. It is a soothing sheet mask that is aloe infused. I got this from BoxyCharm. It's called Stay Calm. I don't like that name. Don't you hate it when people tell you to stay calm? It almost has the opposite effect on you. So, but that is the sheet mask I'm wearing today. It is very juicy, but it is very thin, but it is very, very juicy. And yeah, it still says 10 to 20 minutes, so we'll see about that. The next package I got was from Andy Does Stuff. And look at those big old stickers there that she has. Thank you so much, Andy. And let's see. Oh my goodness. On it, we got today's prayer. God is faithful. He will not let you be tempted beyond what you can bear. 1 Corinthians 10:13. Yes, that is so true. Thank you, Andy. And there is a little letter in here with a lot of stuff. that is what the letter looks like. And it says, "Hey Jennifer, I hope that you have an amazing birthday. I know that you love the ColourPop cream gel liners." Yes, I do. Here are a few from Beauty Creations that I like too. Okay, great. I love cream gel liners. First, let's look. There are a couple of masks in here. One from Acetaphil, a multivitamin brightening biodegradable mask. That's cool. And an Azure retinol and hyaluronic hydrating face mask for anti-aging, brightening, restoring. That is pretty awesome too. And some eye masks. Oh, right, from Grace and Stella. Everything is better in pink. That is really awesome. Oh my gosh, she sent over 4 cream gel liners. Wow. Let's take a look at one of these. Dare to be Brave. One in, I think that is called Razzle Dazzle. Yeah, that feels really nice. So we got that one. We got probably my favorite color in eyeliner pencils is yellow. I'm not going to swatch them all, but I do want to take this yellow one out. Lime Time, I think, what it's called. Let me just swatch this one. That is so bright. That is a lot brighter than the ColourPop one. I'm gonna love that one. Thank you so much, Andy. Right to the floor. Hold on just a minute. Okay, and I got a blue and a purple one as well. Those are really awesome. Thank you so much, Andy. You really didn't have to do that, but I appreciate you. Thank you both to Marie and Andy for some friend birthday mail. Okay, what should I start with? The Walmart box, or let's start with the Walmart box. I got Variation. This is my summer box, and I got Variation 8. So this is actually a free box. You just have to pay for shipping on it. So it comes out to like $7. So this is Summer Glow Up, and these are the items that you could be getting. I don't see a lot of makeup, which, you know, whatever, I guess. But I've seen everybody get this Tickle Your Senses Soleil Escape Razor. So this is something everybody gets. So that's cool. And everybody usually gets one of these liquid IVs. And Pina Colada, I use these. I don't buy them, but I'll use them. But I'll use the ones they give. But I won't go, like I said, I won't go out and buy them because they have a lot of added sugar to them. I'll probably add this one to my big old drink here today. So I'll put that next to my drink. And yeah, they are good. Okay. This is what everybody's been laughing about, is this little tiny pouch of Sagely Extra Strength Pain Relief Cream. I think everybody might be getting this too. I don't know. Look your best when you feel your best. This instantly soothing pain relief cream is a plant-based, clean alternative to chemical-packed products, and it effectively eliminates minor pains so you can feel more you. Okay, I guess. Full size of that is $12.48. Okay, the next thing I have in here is Acetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. Oh, I can take that on my trip with me. That'd be cool. Oh, I see it on the back here. So, although, no, this is the moisturizer back here. But I don't see it in here. Oh well. But it is a little bottle. Hydrate as it cleanses to soothe and replenish skin moisture. Okay, that's pretty cool. A little travel size that I can use. And I got this Suave Up the Volume for Hair You'll Love shampoo and conditioner packet. Another thing I could always take on my trip. And it says, okay, full-size product, $4.98. I'm guessing for the conditioner and then $4.98 for the shampoo. It says using revolutionary technology, this shampoo and conditioner system is formulated with an amino acid complex to smooth hair by working on the inside of the fiber, ideal for transforming flat and fine hair into voluminous, workable hair. So many claims for a reasonably priced shampoo. And the one thing that I saw that I was kind of excited about is this Dickinson's Pore Perfecting Toner. I was going to open it and smell it. Whoa, that smells like alcohol for sure. Let me see. Oh, that's witch hazel that I smell. Okay, I know witch hazel dries my skin out really bad. Okay, Dickinson's 100% natural pore perfecting toner. Full size is $4.68 for 16 fluid ounces. That's okay. I still like toner a lot. I have used witch hazel in the past, and it dries out. It does a nice job of drying out my blemishes and things like that. So that is a good thing. So I'm glad I got that. And that is everything that I got in my Walmart box. I thought we usually get more stuff, but for $7, that is pretty good. So let's move on to my Eyescream beauty bag, which is what I usually am looking forward to. Okay, I should have opened that before I started filming, but this bag is $12.50 a month. I think with shipping, I usually pay about $16.50 a month. This is for June. They give you a little card, and you usually get about 3 items in here. Okay, the first thing I am seeing in here is from Beauty Creations. No, Bella Pierre Pro Blush Palette for $25. Did something just slip out? Okay, that's cute. I'm probably not going to, let me see. Was there a color saver in here? I'm probably not going to swatch these just yet. Usually with this stuff, especially when I get a lot of blushes, I have to think about if I'm going to keep them or not. So Philip here is expensive. That little thing is $25. Wow. Okay, I will worry about that later. The next thing is from Beauty Creations. And this is Beauty Creations Bomb AF lip set. And it's only $12. And there are 2 lip products in there. Let's see what these are. Because it's neon and it's hard to see. Okay, so that's like a clear lip gloss. Well, it's a little pink. I love me a good lip gloss. And this one looks more like a liquid lipstick or, oh, wow, yeah. Okay, that's a nice pink color. Kind of corally looking color. I can get down with that. That's pretty cool. I like that. Cool, cool, cool. And with every beauty bag, you get a palette. So this is Glam Babe from Trend Beauty for $13. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, that is a really pretty looking palette with some nice shimmers in it. I am going to not swatch this just yet. I'm going to think about whether I'm keeping this or not. But those are some really pretty colors in that. And that is what I got in my June ice cream beauty bag. I will put down here the total cost of the retail value of the ice cream beauty bag. Okay, let me go off camera and take off my mask, and I will be right back. Okay, that wasn't like one of my favorite masks, but it still felt pretty good. So, okay, give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Happy Mask Monday to everybody who is participating, or if you are just watching, thank you so much for watching my video. Check me out on my socials down below in the description box. I am on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And, yeah, I hope you leave a comment, please, if you don't mind. Let me know anything you want to. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day today. And if you are not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day. And if you're having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you and sending you out all those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. Okay, so just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.